Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the euro versus US dollar first. What we have here is the hourly chart. And I found this morning that, and yesterday basically, we also had market didn't break this 1.0770. This morning we had quite a big rejection and tail exactly from the swing low at the 1.0770 mark. And this morning we can see the market is breaking this rising trend line, and this more like a tight rising upside channel. So there is a chance from my perspective. So like say the probable scenario is for market to rotate lower and go lower towards the 1.0690 mark. The alternative scenario is only in the case if we really see take of this pin bar, this upside, a pin bar, and then if we can trade above 1.0770 and hold above, then that can be a sign for higher prices, maybe towards 806 or 830 mark. But probable scenario based on this condition, based on current price action to this morning, is to the downside towards the 1.0685. And if we speak about the gold market, we can see that market rejected of the key resistance at 1930. We spoke about this. We had a couple of rejections yesterday. This morning, market tried to rally, and then we got this fade down. So there is a chance to retest the lows in 1916. And in case if we can see the breakdown of this 1915, 1916 and hold below, then there is a chance for the next downside reference, which is 1903. And then we have the area in 1888. A scenario for the upside will be if the market will just simply go at this area, then reject, and then find some higher prices so that we trade back and forth towards the 1924 or even back up to 1929. But for now, sellers are in control this morning, and we have this fail rally this morning. And the sellers kicked in. So we'll see potentially there is a retest, at least retest of this 1915, 1916 mark. Speaking of the crude oil, what we can see here, this is an hourly time frame. We can see ascending triangle, a chart pattern. So market is just spending time here. If we can see the breakout of 88.30 and hold above, that can really open the door. And even if we just put the projection of this recent, so there is a and project here, just in case of that upside breakout, then there is a chance for the test of 91.25 mark. 91.25 mark. So I would like to see the breakout. If we'll have like a down break, there is a chance that this will be a more range environment. So only if we really clear the 85.27 and then hold below, then there is a chance for the lower prices, maybe even towards the 82.25. So upside scenario is more likely, but we will need to see the breakout of our key resistance at 88.25. And the Bitcoin, we also had a big shakeout. Market started with a downside sell-off, but we could see the very fast after market lost selling power, made a range, and then pop up back into the range. This is what the market is doing literally in the last days, if not weeks, on the Bitcoin. So just break and reject back, no follow through, and we are now at 25,760. So at this point, we are in the middle of the basically nowhere in the trading range. If the market can trade above and take 26,400 or so, it will be good if market can hold in order to provide for the higher prices. So it's 27,000 mark, for example. Any meaningful rebreak to the downside will be good if we can hold below this 24,900 mark. And that can open the door for potential test of the 24,000. So far trading range inside of this trading range, and we will see how this will develop. That will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.